Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Is your television turning off and back on again and again after you hit the power button? The most common fix for a TV that is experiencing power cycling is swapping out the power supply board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV fixed at home. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today has you covered every step of the way. For as little as $20 and 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV back into shape. Check out our wizard of TV repair and our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.